Hello! We are filming a very exciting video today. We are filming a video of me packing for Paris. I'm beyond excited. I'm so grateful. I'm going with my parents and one of my best friends, and I'm just really excited. I've been out of the country one time, and it was back when I was in high school, and I'm just so excited to see a part of France and be in Paris. I just can't even believe that's happening. I've been anticipating this trip for so long, and I can't believe it's actually here. So we're gonna be packing. We are packing for Paris, and I'm going to, you guys are gonna pack with me. I thought it'd be kind of fun because I'm definitely gonna be trying on a bunch of outfits, like really fun, exciting outfits. Yeah, I literally, I feel like this is like a sport. I'm like, this is gonna take me probably the majority of the rest of the day. So first thing I'm gonna do is go through my entire closet and just pick out any piece that I can see myself wearing, which usually takes the longest. So that is where we're gonna start. I know that we haven't even started yet, but I just went and took a snack break, and now I'm gonna start. Now we're actually gonna start. This is gonna take me forever. Just finished going through everything that I own. Am I the only person that packs like this? Like, this might be so extra for no reason. It's something in my mind that's like, I need to make sure that I have the best outfits out of everything I have. So that makes me go through my entire closet every single time I have a trip to go on. And we're at the part where I'm really overwhelmed and I'm like, what the f have I done? So I'll give you guys a little rundown on what's going on. So like I mentioned, I finished going through my closet. This is like tops and skirts, I guess. I'm about to separate the skirts because I have all my bottoms separated and my top separated, but that's all of that. I have like little accessories right here, as well as some accessories right here that's just like a mess. Pants right there, and shorts and like PJ shorts right there. This is also a mess. Like, this is like a maybe pile, and then I have like dresses right there, and then I have some like socks and tights right there. I'm basically about to just organize this all. It is supposed to be like on the cooler side while we're there, which is so nice. I'm just used to going anywhere during the summer, and it's just like blazing hot. So it's gonna be really fun to kind of have it be kind of 70s, 60s. But I also have to keep that in mind. I'm about to separate this all. I also kind of have outfit inspo photos like saved right now in a folder, so maybe I can go through those with you guys. I'm gonna kind of create the outfits based off of some of those outfits, but also just outfits that I already had in mind planned out, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to organize these piles now. Okay, so I just want to share some of my inspo photos with you guys. Kind of have a lot, which also is kind of overwhelming, but yeah, I'm just kind of like using a bunch of this stuff as inspo. You guys can get like a little idea. Bunch of like random photos. photos. This is exactly why I said that this was gonna kind of take me a while, because I have so many outfit photos. I have so many clothes. I mean, I have so much outfit inspo. I have so many clothes on the floor right now. Actually, like narrowing it down to what outfits I want to bring. It's all kind of fun, but also like it just takes a lot of time. So I'm gonna start organizing this now. Okay, so unfortunately, somehow the audio got messed up on a couple of these clips, but I'm pretty sure I was talking about how I was organizing based off tops, and then these are all of my bottoms, and then over there is outfits that I already knew that I was gonna bring with me. And then I was gonna finish organizing them, I'm pretty sure, and I will be back to talk through the rest of the clips. Alright, I'm back. I have absolutely no idea what I was talking about in this clip, but I'm gonna start trying on outfits, and then the audio is not available in these clips either, but don't worry, it will be available again for the rest of this video. So this was the first outfit. I was trying to decide if I liked this sequiny skirt, which is a bit more fun, or if I liked the other skirt I'm about to show in a second. There it is. Better. I couldn't tell, but I was gonna ask my friend what she thought. And then I was also saying that the corset wasn't done up all the way in the right way. This was my other outfit that I was trying on to see if I liked. I thought I liked it. I'm not 100% sure, but it is going to be a little bit chilly in Paris, which is going to be so nice. I'm really excited for that. So I'm definitely packing some long sleeves and stuff like that. This is my next outfit. I was saying it was a bit extra because it is, but you know me, I just can't ever be casual and chill for some reason. But yeah, that's cute. Next outfit is cute. I couldn't decide what belt I liked more, and I definitely liked that belt that I'm showing right now better, but it's kind of crazy to wear in another country with what is on the buckle. Next outfit, super cute, kind of basic, but I was gonna throw in these socks with these little yellow shoes to make it kind of fun, which is really cute. Last outfit is definitely out there, and I thought I liked it in the moment when I was trying it on, but I ended up deciding that I didn't love it, and I'm not bringing this outfit, but it is fun and it is cute. Wait, this is the last outfit. I thought the last one was the last outfit, but this is the last outfit. Also basic, but I thought the clutch would make it really cute, and I actually love the outfit. It's kind of right up my alley. Yes, I'm about to be talking in the rest of the clips now. All right, bye. Hey! Okay, so Unfortunately, as you just heard, those last clips were silent. I hate when I do that. Well, maybe unfortunately. I was gonna say fortunately the rest of this video will be me talking, but maybe that's unfortunate for some people. I'm now going to be actually packing my suitcase. I leave tomorrow. Why am I sitting like I leave tomorrow and I obviously need to pack. I'm kind of stressed. Until like 2 days ago, I thought that we were leaving Sunday and we're actually leaving Saturday, so that was a whole day less that I thought I had. So yeah, I need to pack the suitcase because I will probably feel a lot better after I do. Sorry, like let me just like... I am slightly worried that this is gonna be filled a lot and that I will want to buy things while I'm there and I'll have no room. But we're gonna see what we can do. Try to have everything in here that I need. Let's back up a little. Honestly, don't remember what I was saying and the parts that were silent of those clips. I know I was saying that I had a quiz, which I got 100 on. I know I was saying I was delirious and that my outfits were kind of extra, which I know it's like popular in France to be like the cool, chill, casual girl, look like you just threw on some clothes, but fortunately I can't. I have to be extra. But if you guys want to see what I do end up wearing, because I'm going to be wearing a lot of other stuff other than what I put in this video, make sure you follow my Instagram. It's in the description, only if you want to, and only if you're curious what I'm actually going to be wearing while I'm there. I'm going to be posting a ton of photos. I'm so excited to take photos. I'm just excited to be here. Like, let me make sure. I'm like scarred now. I'm like, let me make sure that this has the audio working on it before I keep recording everything I'm saying. I didn't really think this through. I have everything folded behind me. I keep having to like turn around to grab stuff. You can follow my Instagram. Also, my TikTok's in the description. I might post like a couple of videos on there while in Paris about my outfits. So make sure you're following any of my social medias if you want to see anything about my outfits or what I'm wearing, if you care. If you don't, that's fine. I also think I am overpacking by like 2 or 3 outfits. Okay, second outfit secured. I feel like I'm pretty set on packing. Like I definitely have almost everything I needed packed besides like my accessories, shower stuff, and makeup. Well, I'm still in the midst of packing, but like after I put this in my suitcase, I'll have everything besides those things. The one thing I'm unsure about is bags. And I have a feeling that might be an issue. Like I feel like it'll make me overpack because I have no idea what bags to bring. I heard that pickpocketing in Paris is crazy. I'm literally not even kidding. I'm gonna be holding my phone like this anywhere I go to take a photo. Like I'm gonna be like, I've seen it crazy photos of just people like I guess they got the camera footage from a store and they posted it online and it's just them kind of on the street like this and just some kid just comes in like rips and starts running with that. I'm not having that happen to me. I definitely need bags with zippers. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what bags to bring though. I wish I had a bag that would go perfect with everything, but I have a feeling I'm gonna have to bring a couple. I'm bringing my studded lip service bag. I never really bring her out because unfortunately she is peeling. All right, don't mind my appearance. My camera battery died. I'm basically all packed. This might be dicey of me I'm leaving like my jewelry, makeup, and cosmetic section for tomorrow. Other than that, I'm packed. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be posting some sort of Paris video. Yeah, I can't even believe I'm going. Oh my god, I totally forgot to show you guys. I got my nails done today. Wait, let me... I was going for like Paris circa 2005 Neapolitan, is that how you say it? Ice cream. They're so cute, like really light yellow, pink, brown, green. They're so cute. But yes, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys have a good day or night or whatever time you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!